Continuing to the inverse trigonometry problems. Try to see the next question. Secant square of cot inverse 1 by 2 plus cosecant square of tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, ఇన్నర్ సైడ్ ఉన్న ఫంక్షన్స్ ని ఫస్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మనకి కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంది, రైట్? సో సీక్ ఉంటే సీక్ లే కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకునేదేమో, కానీ ఇక్కడ సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కొసెకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ టాన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంది, రైట్? సో వీ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. Now what I am doing here, I am assuming this cot inverse of 1 by 2 as some third party variable, that is alpha, let us suppose, right? So now what 1 by 2 will become? It is cot alpha, right? So then what 2 will become? If you take 2, it is tan alpha, simply. Just keep this thing. Now come to here. Tan inverse of 1 by 3, I am considering another variable beta. Now 1 by 3 will become what? Tan beta. Now what 3 will become?
Cot beta.
Right? Cot beta. So now what we can do? So now what will become? Secant square of cot inverse. You can substitute this 1 by 2 as cot alpha, right? Plus cosecant square of tan inverse of 1 by 3 written as tan beta.
Okay.
Now what will become? Secant square alpha, because cot inverse of cot alpha is what? Alpha, plus cosecant square what? This beta, right? Now we know tan alpha, cot beta. So right, so secant square name రాసుకోవచ్చు tan లో 1 plus tan square alpha plus cosecant square ni 1 plus cot square beta, cos square beta, right? So now 1 plus what is tan square alpha, nana? 2 square, 4 plus 1 plus cot square alpha, it will come 9. So what is the answer?
10. No, 15.
15, right? సో ఇలా మీకు ఏం చేయలేనప్పుడు ఒక థర్డ్ వేరియబుల్ ఇక్కడ కన్సిడర్ చేసుకున్నాను, రైట్? ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ రావడం రేర్గా వస్తుంటాయి, నో ఇష్యూ. సో హియర్ ఐ డన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ, రైట్? కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 2 ని ఆల్ఫా అనుకున్నాను ఇక్కడ మనము. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 2 లో డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆల్ఫా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకున్నా, కానీ బేసిక్ ప్రొసీజర్ మనం ఏది చేసామో అది చేయాలన్నమాట. డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 2 ప్లేస్ లో ఆల్ఫా అనుకున్నాం, ఆల్ఫాని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకున్నాం, రైట్? సో నౌ ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. సైన్ ఆఫ్ 2 sin ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 3 by 5. సైన్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంటే మనం చేయొచ్చు, 2 sin ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ సంథింగ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా మనము 2 sin ఇన్వర్స్ x ఫార్ములాని ఇచ్చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ 2 sin ఇన్వర్స్ x? ఎస్, sin ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 2 under root 1 minus x square, right? That is the only right. 2x under root 1 minus x square, sorry, 2x under root 1 minus x square. So now what is x value here? That is 3 by 5. Sin inverse of 2 into x, that is 6 by 5 under root 1 minus 9 by 25, right? So now try to calculate this. What will become? Sin inverse of 6 by 5, what is under root 1 minus 9 by 25? It is simply 4 by 5, right? Yes or no? So here it will become 24 by 25. That is sin inverse of 24 by 25. Here sin inverse of 24 by 25 will come what, ma? That is 24 by 25. You can see here 2 sin inverse x, I am writing it as sin inverse of 2x under root 1 minus x square. Here in the place of x we are putting 3 by 5, right? It will come sin of sin inverse will get cancelled, then 2 into 3 by 5, 6 by 5 under root 1 minus 3 square by 5 square will come 4 by 5. So answer is 24 by 25. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It is less than 1 only. Say yes or no? It is less than 1. Now try to solve these questions. 2 tan inverse x. చూడండి, సైన్ ఉంది, 2 tan inverse ఉంది. 2 tan inverse in terms of sin లే కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి మీరు. 2 tan inverse in terms of sin ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న? 2 tan inverse x. Yes, sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Right? In the case of cos inverse, it will become cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, right? Yes. Now apply the formulas and tell me the answer. In case of tan, it will come tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. What is the answer for the first question? Simply it will come what? Sin of
7.
2 tan inverse of 8 by 5. So that is sin of sin inverse వస్తుందా పక్కన పెట్టండి దాన్ని 2 into 8 by 5 divided by 1 plus 8 square by 5 square, that is 64 by 25. So now take the LCMs. What will come? 16 by 5 divided by 25 plus 64 entama 89. 89 by 25. Here 5 ones, 5 5s will get cancelled. This 5 will be multiplied with the numerator. 16 5 is 80. 80 divided by
89.
89 is the answer. Right? Now try to solve the next question. Cos of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5. So it is cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Cos inverse cancel అయిపోతుంది. Just you need to make this 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus 1 by 25 divided by 1 plus 1 by 25. So what will become? 24 by 26. If it cancel with 2, it will come 12 by 13.
13.
Right? Next, tan of 2 tan inverse of 3 by 4. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది tan inverse cancel అయిపోతుంది 2x by, that is 2 into 3 by 4
By
divided by 1 minus 9 by 16. So now try to see 6 by 4 divided by 9. It is 16 minus 9, that is 7 divided by 16. 4 ones, 4 fours. This 4 will be multiplied with the numerator. It will come 24 by 7. Clear? Try this question. Bit tricky. In case if you are not directly able to convert this entire thing into some third variable. Let us suppose 1 by 2 cos inverse of under root 5 by 3 is equal to alpha. Right? Now what cos inverse of under root 5 by 3 will become 2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Right? So here now substitute this cos inverse of under root 5 by 3 as 2 alpha. Right? So or simply you can replace this entire thing as this tan alpha. It will come tan alpha. So tan alpha ni మనము ఇక్కడ మనము చూడండి cos inverse of under root 5 by 3 ఏమైంది ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా అయిందా? ఇక్కడ నుంచి రూట్ 5 by 3 ఏమవుతుంది? రూట్ 5 by 3 cos 2 alpha. We know the cos 2 alpha value, right? So now what we are making, using this cos 2 alpha, we are trying to find the tan alpha. So we can write this tan alpha as 1 minus cos 2 alpha divided by 1 plus 2 alpha, 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Say yes or no? Can we write like this? We solve some problems as well, right? So now I'm substituting under root 1 minus root 5 by 3 and divide by 1 plus under root 5 by 3. Right?
Option 2 say.
Yes, option 2 is the correct. Clear? These much complicated questions won't come. Just I'm giving for reference. This is not a big issue. Next. This is bit trickiest question. How to solve this question? Cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse of 3. ఇక్కడ pi by 4 అనేది ఏంటి మనకి ఇక్కడ రేంజ్. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది ఒక ఇన్వర్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది. ఈ ఇన్వర్స్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఫంక్షన్ ని సాల్వ్ చేసినా మనకు ఒక రేంజ్ వస్తుంది. నౌ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ హింట్. Cot of pi by 4 ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ tan inverse of 1. Can you write like that? Tan inverse of 1 pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse of 3 నేను tan inverse of 1 by 3 రాసుకున్నా. Yes, right? Now try to solve this 2 tan inverse x first, then apply this in the format of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, right? So just I am showing here the solution if possible. You can see, so pi by 4 as tan inverse 1, this has 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square using this formula. Now convert this converted as tan inverse of x. So now tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, right? So we'll get the answer 7, because ఇక్కడ tan inverse of 1 by 7 ఉంది. లాస్ట్ మనం కాట్లకి మార్చుకుంటాం మళ్ళీ. That is not a big issue. So why? Because we are converting this into tan. We are not supposed to do any direct operation on this cot inverse, so we have the formula still tan inverse only. That's why we're converting this cot inverse, 2 cot inverse ani 2 tan inverse like మార్చుకుంటాం అంతే, right? Now try to see this. You only need to solve this. Sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus sin inverse of 5 by 13. So what is this formula? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. What is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y? Sin inverse of, yes, x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square, right? So now try to solve this thing. Tell me which option is correct. This is one of your previous ECET question. Use that formula. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse of x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square.
Option 2, sir.
Yes, option 2 is the correct answer. If you substitute in the place of x as 3 by 5 and y as 5 by 13, so it will come 56 by 65, nana. Solve at your end. I'm just giving in the formula here. Next, tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3. This is also one of your previous ECET question. So simply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. That is what, ma? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Right? So use this formula. Tell me, what is the answer?
Pi by 2.
Yes, option 3 is the correct. Karthik, CM025. Pi by 4 is the correct answer. Pi by 2 ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? ఇన్ఫినిటీ వచ్చినప్పుడే అది వచ్చేది. అది కూడా చెప్తాను ఎలా అవుతుందో కూడా. In case xy is equal to 1, then it will become infinity. So then only it will become pi by 2. X is equal to y. అంటే tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 1. లేదా tan inverse of root 3, tan inverse of root 3. ఆ విధంగా. In other case, it won't come. Because definitely the condition is the denominator will be 0 in the case of infinity. Right? So pi by 4 వచ్చిందా మా అందరికి? Yes. Now try to check this one. Cos inverse of 8 by 17 minus cos inverse of 5 by 13. So cos inverse x minus cos inverse y formula. So what is that? Cos inverse of xy plus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. Apply this. X in the place of x, 8 by 17. In the place of y, 5 by 13. This is also one of your previous ECET question. My 3 questions previous ECET questions. What is the answer? Anybody with the answer?
Cos inverse of 220 by 221.
Very good. Cos inverse of 220 by 221 is the correct answer. Let me move to the next question. Yes, tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. This is also one of your previous ECET question. And one more condition here, what? This type of questions how to solve? The product of x and y is greater than 1 Nana here. Right? So we need to add pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. The formula. Right? So what will become? Pi plus tan inverse of
Option
2
4.
plus 3 divided by 1 minus 2 into 3 is what? 6. So pi plus tan inverse of 5 divided by minus 5 will come tan inverse 1. So what is tan inverse 1? That is minus
Pi.
pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4 will come what, ma? 3 pi by 4. Option 3 is correct. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next question. This is also one of your previous ECET question. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. ఇక్కడ 2 tan inverse x ని ఫస్ట్ tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోండి. తర్వాత వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ కి tan inverse x plus tan inverse y ని అప్లై చేయండి అన్న. రైట్? ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ అండ్ టెల్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్.
Pi by 4.
Pi by 4. No. Any other answer?
సార్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ క్వశ్చన్.
ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఈ ముందు క్వశ్చన్.
దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ సార్.
This one only, right? Tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3.
Yes, sir.
So in normal case, if you go to the previous question, here it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy అన్న. ఇది నార్మల్ కేసులో. ఇది ఎప్పుడంటే xy యొక్క ప్రోడక్ట్, ఇఫ్ యు మల్టిప్లై ది x అండ్ y, ఇట్ ఈస్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అన్న. Less than or equal to 1. Right? So if you multiply this 1 by 2 and with 1 by 3, what will become? It is 1 by 6 less than 1 only. In this case, we are not adding anything. But if you come to this question, here x is 2 and y is equal to 3. So if you multiply 2 and 3, it will come what? 6, right? So in this case, xy is greater than 1, Nana. Right? So whenever this is exceeding the 1, then we need to add pi plus tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Right? So now normal procedure only, pi plus tan inverse of what is x? 2 plus y is 3 divided by 1 minus 2 into 3 is 6. Right? Pi plus tan inverse of 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 1 minus 6 is minus 5. That is 5 by minus will come minus 1, right? Tan inverse of minus 1 ఏమవుతుంది? Minus pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
So if you subtract this pi minus pi by 4, it will come 3 pi by 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for the next question? You can try now. 2 tan inverse x ని సాల్వ్ చేయండి, ఏమవుతుంది? Tan inverse of
హలో సార్.
yes.
సార్ పై ప్లస్ మైనస్ 5/4 3/4 ఎట్లా అవుతుంది సార్?
pi minus pi by 4. ఇది కూడా నేను చెప్పండి నవల్ కాదు ఇంకా. 4 LCM is 4. ఇద్దరు క్లాస్ ఒకే చోట వింటున్నారా ఏమన్నా? 4 into pi, 4 pi minus pi. What is this? 3 by 4. Or if you are not that much comfortable with pi, pi and ఎంత? 180 minus pi by 4 and ఎంత? 45. It will come what? 135. Now check with the options. Minus pi by 4 minus 45 plus pi by 4 45. 3 by 4 is 135. Clear?
Okay, clear, sir.
Done. So 2 tan inverse x, that is tan inverse of 2x, 2 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus x square, that is 1 by 3 square, it will come 1 by 9. So now if you solve this thing, what will become? Tan inverse of 2 by 3,
3 by 4, sir.
tan inverse of 2 by 3 divided by, so it is 9 minus 1, 8 by 9, right? So this thing will become tan inverse of, here you can cancel 2 ones, 2 fours, 3
3
ones, 3
3.
threes, so it will come reverse 3 by 4, right? So now tan inverse of 3 by 4 minus plus tan inverse of 1 by 7, so it is simply tan inverse of x is 3 by 4 plus y is what, 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. So now it will come what, Nana? Tan inverse of 28 is the LCM. Here 7 3 is a 21 minus 4, that is what will become? 28, 21 plus 4, 25 divided by here 4, 4 into 7, 28, 28 minus 3, that is also 25 by 28. Okay. So both all are cancelled. Tan inverse of 1, yes, pi by 4 is the correct answer. Yes, Karthik, you are correct. Clear? How to solve?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let us move to the next question. Yes. This question, try to solve this question. Tan of cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. ఇక్కడ ఇన్వర్స్ సైడ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తాము. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంది, ఒకటి tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ లేక, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న tan ఇన్వర్స్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ లేక మార్చుకోవాలి. వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ tan లేక మార్చుకోవాలి. సో ఇట్స్ బెటర్ టు కన్వర్ట్ దిస్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇంటూ tan. సో వాట్ విల్ బికమ్ నానా? tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
Because opposite by hypotenuse adjacent, right? So here hypotenuse opposite will come 3. So now tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3 చేయండి. వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ కి tan అప్లై చేయండి. ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి నాకు.
Tan inverse of 17 by 6.
tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్, ఓకే, పక్కన tan ఉంది, ఏమవుతుంది?
17 by 6.
17 by 6. ఓకే, ఎస్. All of you got 17 by 6.
మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
Yes. So now tan of cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. నేను ఇక్కడ ఉన్న cos inverse of 4 by 5 ని tan inverse of 3 by 5 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. Till this point it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of what is x? X is 3 by 4
Yes, sir.
plus y is
2 by
2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. What will become? Tan inverse of LCM is what? 12.
Yes, sir.
Here 9 plus 8 divided by, here LCM also 12. Next 12 minus 6, that is 6. So ఇక్కడ 12 cancel అయిపోతుంది. న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉన్న 9 plus 8 17 by 6 అవుతుంది. సో నౌ tan inverse 17 by 6, ఇక్కడ ఫ్రంట్ లో ఒక tan ఉంది. Now it will become what? Tan inverse of 17 by 6. So what will become?
17 by
17 by 6. Is it less than 1 or greater than 1?
less than 1.
Hmm?
Than 1. Greater than 1.
Greater than 1, right? Because in case of tan, it can be any real number. Maybe it is greater than 1 or less than -1, whatever it is, right? It can vary from -infinity to +infinity. Now take the next question as home task. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సింపుల్ గా చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఈ 2ని యాడ్ చేయండి. రిజల్ట్ అంటే సమ్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ సంథింగ్ వస్తుంది. వచ్చిన తర్వాత tan ఇన్వర్స్ x మైనస్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ y చేయండి రిమైనింగ్ వాటికి. సో మళ్ళీ ఒక tan ఇన్వర్స్ వస్తుంది మీకు ఆన్సరు, రైట్? సో వచ్చిన దాన్ని కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ లేక మార్చుకోండి యూజింగ్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్. కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ లేక మార్చుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, సీక్ ఉందా? సో సీక్ అంటే ఏం చేయాలి, కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ని చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చా? సో వాట్ ఈస్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ x in terms of sec? That is secant inverse of 1/x. Yes or no? So just reciprocal this x value, you will get the secant inverse. Secant of secant inverse of 1/x will become 1/x only, right? So
Okay.
do like that. Next question, tan inverse of 1 plus sin x by cos x is equal to. So I am giving a hint here, tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. That is, just give me a second ma. Plus sin x. Sorry, it is plus here. 1 plus sin x by cos x is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is one derivation, Nana. You can expand this thing if you want, like tan of a plus b, right? So tan of a plus b tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b లాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే కానీ ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లైక్ మీకు చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో సింప్లీ రిప్లేస్ దిస్ 1 plus sin x by cos x as tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tell me what is the answer you are getting.
pi by 4 plus x by 2.
Very good. That is simple answer, right? So next question, tan of 2 tan inverse of cos x. చూడనా, ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ x అనుకోండి, 2 tan inverse x ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Try to find this. Tell me what it is coming. Find this tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Means
Cot
this
x.
entire thing.
Cot x.
Cot x. Cot x. Let's try to check once again. I am not sure, because here denominator 1 minus x square అంటే కన్నా 1 minus cos square x sin square x వస్తుంది. సో న్యూమరేటర్ లో కాస్ ఉంటుంది, డినామినేటర్ లో sin square ఉంటుంది. ఎస్, what will become tan inverse of 2 cos x divided by from this point ఇక్కడ tan inverse క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయినట్టు అనుకోండి, 2x by 1 minus x square చేయండి అంతే. 2 into cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x, right? What will become 2 cos x into 1 by sin square x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇక్కడ cos x ని, ఇక్కడ sin square x ని sin x into sin x రాసుకుంటున్నాను. సో cos by sin ఏమవుతుంది,
Cot అవుతుంది.
2 cot x into 1 by sin ఏమవుతుంది,
కాదు.
cosecant x. So this is your answer. 2 cot x into cosecant is your answer, Nana. Right?
Okay.
Yes. Next question చూడండి, cos of sin inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1. What is 2 cos square theta minus 1?
Cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of 1 minus 2 sin square theta.
Cos 2 theta.
Theta.
Cos 2 theta. Yes. So how to solve this question? Next, if you see here, sin inverse of cos 2 theta, cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Which formula this is? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x.
Pi by 2.
Very good. Cos pi by 2 is what?
1.
1.
Cos pi by 2 1. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అయిపోతుంది. ఏం చదువుతున్నారో అర్థం కావట్లా. 0. కాస్ బై బై 2 ఎంత?
0 సార్.
1 అంటే మళ్ళీ
నేను కాదు సార్, తను సార్ అనింది.
ఇంకొకరు కూడా వెనకాల కోరస్ పలికినారు మళ్ళీ. ఎస్, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ I will share the recording. You can listen after the class.
Okay.
That's not any problem. చూడండి, ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని మీరు ఈ ఐడియా రాకపోవచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇది ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది, కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అవుతుందని. మన ఇంటెన్షన్ అంతా ఏముంటుంది, ఇక్కడ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంది, ఓకే ఇన్నర్ సైడ్ కాస్ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది, ఇన్నర్ సైడ్ సైన్ రావాలి. సో అప్పుడు మీరు ఈ కాస్ ను సైన్ లేక మార్చుకుంటారు, రైట్? సో దట్స్ అప్ టు యూ హౌ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్, రైట్? Or you can also convert this sin inverse as cos inverse by using sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square, like that. So but this is a somewhat simpler way. Next only sin inverse of root 2 sin theta plus sin inverse of under root cos 2 theta. Just make this as some value, either it is alpha or theta. So make sin theta is equal to some value, right? Sin theta is equal to root 2 alpha na lekapothe 1/2 root 2 alpha na edo vastundi. So వచ్చిన దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తారంటే గిన ఇక్కడ cos 2 theta ఉంది కదా, ఈ cos 2 ఏం చేస్తారంటే గిన లైక్ 1 minus 2 sin square theta రాసుకోవచ్చా? yes or no? cos 2 ni. So now substitute this sin theta value here. So maybe it will be coming around 1/2 1 by root 2 alpha whole square. So maybe this 2 will get cancelled. You will get alpha square 1 minus alpha square. Sin inverse of alpha square will become what, nana? Cos inverse alpha. Here sin inverse alpha. Sin inverse alpha plus cos inverse alpha will become what? Pi by 2. Clear? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
I need to explain again.
Understood.
What about others? Answer is pi by 2. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఒక సమ్ వాల్యూ అనుకోండి. సో జస్ట్ మేక్ sin theta. Here cos theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So now substitute this sin square theta as here. Now try to see this question. Yes. Very, very simple, but a bit tricky. చూడండి, sin of cot inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. ఒకసారి మీరు చూస్తే cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square ఉంది, రైట్? సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న cot inverse ని tan లేక మార్చుకోండి. tan inverse x ఏమవుతుందిమా? tan inverse of 1 minus x square by 2x, just reciprocal of this whatever the x is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, right? So now we can convert this tan inverse into sin inverse, right? So if you convert into sin inverse, maybe it is equivalent to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So now it is in the form of sin inverse x plus sin cos inverse x. So it will become pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 will become what?
1, sir.
0 kada?
No, sir.
Yes, 1. Right? So like that, you need to solve this question. Next is tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square. Yes. So sin inverse of 2a by 1 plus x square ఏమవుతుంది? 2 tan inverse a. Yes or no? Next plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of, here 1 by 2 is there, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square ఏమవుతుంది? It is also 2 tan inverse a. So here 2 will get cancelled. Then it will become tan of 2 tan inverse a, right? Tan of 2 tan inverse a. Again tan inverse of 2a by 1 minus a square. So this tan will get cancelled. Your answer is 2a by 1 minus a square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
How you need to proceed with the assumptions? This question is already done. Tan inverse of something. Yes. Next, cos of 2 sin inverse of under root 1 minus x by 2, nana. Just take it as home task. Try to see how many of you able to solve these questions by assumption. అక్కడ ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏం అజమ్ చేసుకోవాలో మీకు తెలియాలి అంతే. ఇప్పుడు 2 sin ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ అండర్ రూట్ 1 - x/2 ఉంది. అక్కడ ఏం చేసినా కానీ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ అనేది నెగ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వదు, రూట్ అనేది నెగ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వదు. కానీ మనం ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే కానీ అక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇంకోటి కూడా సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఉంది, మనకి దీన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయంగా సైన్ మీన్స్ రెడ్యూస్ చేయంగా సైన్ లో రావాలి ఆన్సర్. ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్ లో?
cos 2 theta.
వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న, cos 2 theta. So if you substitute cos 2 theta, 1 - cos 2 will come what? 2 sin square theta
Sin square theta.
divide by 2, 2 will get cancelled, under root sin square theta will come what? Sin theta. So sin inverse of sin will come what? Theta. So your answer is again cos 2 theta, because cos this 2, this entire thing will come theta. So what is cos theta? Cos 2 theta, that is x only, right? Your answer is x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now moving to a bit easiest one, tan inverse of cos 20 minus sin 20 by cos 20 plus sin 20. How to solve this question? What is
Tan of-
cos? Yes,
Tan
tan
of
of.
pi by 4 minus x.
Very good. Tan of pi by 4 minus x. What is x here?
20.
20. So means tan inverse of tan, this will get cancel. Your answer is
25.
25 degrees. Clear? Very simple. This is also one of your previous ECET question, right? Next, this thing is a bit tricky, not that much important. Let's skip this thing. Now tell me this question. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to 3 pi by 2. Then x power 100 plus y power 100 plus z power 100 minus 9 by x power 101 plus y power 101 plus z power 100.
1.
Now tell me what is x, y, z values. ఇక్కడ చూడండి sin inverse x, sin inverse y, sin inverse z is equal to 3 pi by 2 వచ్చింది. We just divide this among 3, pi by 2 here, pi by 2 here, pi by 2 here. Maximum. That is only possible, right? Pi by 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఏమి ఉండదు కదా. So if you add these 3, it will come 3 pi by 2. Sin inverse లో x ప్లస్ లో ఎంత పెడితే pi by 2 వస్తుంది?
1.
Sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. What is x?
1.
Very good. 1, right? So now here also y is equal to
1.
z
0.
is equal to y 0. It is sin inverse y only, right? Same thing only. So here x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1 nana. So now substitute this 1 in the place of x, y, z. Tell me the answer what is coming.
Zero, sir.
Very good. 0 is the correct answer. One power 100 1 plus y power 100 1 z power 100 1 minus 9 divided by this is also 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. What will come?
0.
కనపడతా ఉందా 0?
Yes, sir.
The question, tan inverse x comma tan inverse y comma tan inverse z are in AP nana. AP అంటే ఏంటి? అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. Then 2y by 1 minus y square is equal to అన్నాను. Right? So simple గా let us suppose, not in terms of this inverse trigonometry, if a comma b comma c are in AP, what is the condition nana? Yes, that is 2b is equal to a plus c.
Yes, sir.
This thing is there in 10th class.
Yes, sir.
A comma b comma c in AP, then 2b is equal to a plus c. So similarly tan inverse x comma tan inverse y comma tan inverse z is equal z are in AP. So then what is the condition nana? 2
2
tan
tan
inverse y, 2 tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse z. Right? What is 2 tan inverse y? Tan inverse of 2y by 1 minus y square, that is equal to tan inverse of x plus z divided by 1 minus xz. Right? So both side tan inverse will cancel. What is the answer? 2y by 1 minus y square is equal to x plus z by 1 minus xz. That only we require, right? This 2y by 1 minus y square. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi. Then x plus y plus z is equal to. This is first question. Second question, if tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi by 2, then xy plus yz plus zx is equal to. These are the two important questions that we can expect from this. చూడండి tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z ఏమవుతుందన్నా? tan inverse of x plus y plus z minus xyz divided by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. Apply this formula and tell me the answer.
XYZ, sir.
Very good. For the first question, it is xyz.
One, sir. Second.
Very good. Yes, 1 is the correct answer. Now try to see how to solve this one. In case of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi, right? Now take this tan inverse to that side, what will become, Nana? Take this tan inverse to that side, what will become? Tan pi, right? What is tan pi? 0.
0.
So if you cross multiply with, it will become x plus y plus z is equal x plus y plus z minus xyz is equal 0. If you send this minus xyz to that side, it will come plus xyz. That is only. Next, in case of pi by 2, tan inverse goes to that side, it will come tan pi by 2. That means infinity. We are writing it as 1 by 0. So just now cross multiply. It will come 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to 0. So now take this all minus signs to one side and 1 to this side. So you will get 1 as your answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now try to solve this question. Sin inverse of 12 by 13 plus secant inverse of 13 by x is equal to pi by 12. Sorry, pi by 2, Nana, not pi by 12. Then x is equal to.
12.
Very good. 12. Why? See, sin inverse ఉంది, secant inverse ఉంది, pi by 2 ఉందా? సో pi by 2 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది మనకి? sin inverse plus cos inverse, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ లేకపోతే tan inverse plus cot inverse, లేకపోతే secant plus cosecant. ఇక్కడ secant inverse ని cosecant లేక మార్చుకోండి, సారీ cos లేక మార్చుకోండి. cos inverse ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు? x by 13. Just reciprocal of this value. So now in the place while getting this pi by 2, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. So both x will become equal. So here 13 are equal, 12 and x is equal to equal. So x will become 12. Clear?
Yes, sir.